Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide
for Chevy GMC's 2007 to 13 Silverado and Sierra.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Remove the vehicle's bed. Step 3. Cut out the crossmember. Before you cut, measure the distance between the frame rails and note the location of the factory crossmember. Followed by grinding the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Next, coat the part and work area with a well-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Install the crossmember into place. And you're done.